So the final part will look like this. Okay, so I will continue with this. I will try to install the last part. Okay, so I am using the wire. I prefer the wire. So I have this part, tiny part, and the small isolator here will come like this. So you just need to maintain the sprue and paint all together. When you do this, it's better to paint and everything. When you cut here, you will need to cut here, not the rod which is fixing the part. So I will use the wire. I don't know the size. I think it's 2 millimeters diameter or 1 millimeter or 0.9 millimeter diameter. I don't know. So I will put this thing here. Okay, so insert here. I will you need to cut the wire with 25 millimeters length. That's all. Next, you will install the washer. That is the name, the washer. Here. She's here. Everything is okay. Next step, I will put a little part of super glue here. Just a little. That's nice. So I will put the isolator here. I put in the right position. You see everything is in the right place. Once this is okay, I will put the wire into the hole. Using the wires less beautiful. Well, the wire done put properly. Oh, it's not beautiful. It's not beautiful, so I will need to do this better. Now it's better. So the wire is a little better. And it's not fragile, you see. And the last part. Okay. And the last part will be put this thing into place. So you will apply the super glue using a needle here and putting the washer in place like this. Okay. Oof, I use a lot of glue here. So you remove the exit of glue. It is. And you will cut the wire like this. The part is assembled here, you see. So next step is fix this thing here. You see this thing here, and after that I will put all together. Here. You can see how our part fits well here. I will put the cover. Where the hell I put the cover? Where I put the cover? Cover. Oh god. First here. So you can see here that everything is inside. You see, the last part is this, the two, how is name? Lux and the inches here. So how you can see, I will do a small electrical lighting, electrical test. So I just need to connect the black wire. And the flux is working. But this thing is so amazing. So you can see how this thing can be assembled. I will do the glass. Just a little time. So I have got a clear sheet, evergreen clear sheet, and it's not clean. You need to clean this part. You can see that everything fits well together inside the box. Next step is to fix this thing and the hinges here. This thing is working nice. So wait a second. So this is the two hinges here. So with this thing you need to pay attention because it's fragile here and this thing here can be broken easily. Okay, so pay attention, be careful. Okay, this part, and this one is the hinges. So this thing, you can see this part is easy to install because it's just to install here. Oh my god. And the secret of these kits are the patience, you know. Are literally doing the same thing that Doc Brown did, building his car. So you can see the hinges here. The hinge here. You can see. Well, is the stupid camera don't working? Well, you see here. So you can see this, and for the other side here you need to install the locks. I will try without breaking one of them, so I will get the sprue. The first problem you can find is that this thing don't put inside because the paint applied here, so you must test. If the paint was it works nice, not a problem here. That's done. The second one here. It's nice, you know. Okay. Oof. Everything is okay here. So the last thing I don't say is to install the micro screw right here. I think this is the 3mm micro screw from the behind. This is to maintain the hose here better than using a rod from resin. Resin rod always broken here. Here is okay because you pay attention and nothing is being used to maintain the rod. This part here, for example, the small hole here. So this is okay, but here you need to install a hose here, so you need really something strong to maintain the hose here. And the last step is to use the you see the microscope here is to use the hinge is lost. He's here. Well, you know, it's in L shape. This will install here. You see, well, this kit is specially made for the Chloe Powell card. So this is the only kit which works with this card. So if you try any other magnetic flux flux capacitor model, maybe this didn't work on the with the car, you know. So I hope this help to the people which is building this kit. this is a very highly engineering kit which try to reproduce as best all details. No? The stickers, I don't like to show how to put the stickers because I have a very low vision, so I can destroy all the work installing the stickers. So I hope you can do the last part. So this is the kit assembly. So for the fixation, well, you have only one screw here. This part will fit into the base and into the plate as normal. You have also the hose will fit with the actual parts from Eagle Moss parts, and this part, this you need to pay attention. If you want to use the same part from Eagle Moss, you need to cut that part. That part, I think 1 millimeter, remember, is I don't have nothing here. Well, you need to cut a small part in order to fit this one in the other part. So the problem is I have mine already installed, and I don't have here something similar. So this part here, you need to cut in this side one. I think it's 1 millimeter. You can use this thing, to reduce, it to fit really into the place. Okay. This thing is beautiful. This thing was made with the original measurements of the part, and was picture matched. I used several pictures from the real thing, and all parts were picture match. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please make your questions here. Thanks again.